In this video we are going to discuss what are ASCII values in C language. So as we all know that in our computers all the numbers are stored in their binary forms. So you must be feel that how the characters we are entering, let's say from capital A to capital Z, how these characters are stored in our computer. So they are stored as an ASCII value, or and the full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That means for each and every character that we have in our on our keyboard, for some specific character, a number is allocated to them, and binary of those numbers is stored in our computers. Let us see one example to demonstrate how these characters are stored in our computer. Let's say I create a variable of char type, let's say char C, and I print a string to inform user that enter one enter one character. And by using scanf, let us take the scanf let us take the input from the user using format specifier %c. So as we know that for integers we use format specifier as %d, and for float numbers or real numbers we use format specifier as %f. From now onwards we will use the %c format specifier for taking character as an input. So this is for first argument, and second argument we will give address of C. So now what we are going to do, we are going to print the character, how this character is stored in our computer. Let's say print f, and I'm going to print the value using %d. That means the result will be in integer form. So we'll get to know that how a character C will be stored in our computer. Return 0 statement, return 0, and let build and run. So as you can see that a string is there, enter one character. If I put character A, and let us see how A is stored. So A is stored as 97 in our PC, in our computer. Let us take one more example. Let us write capital A. How capital A is stored? So capital A is stored as 65. And let us see how, not only for characters, in characters we include not only the alphabets but some special character also. Let us write @ how @ is stored in our computer. So @ is stored as 64, not as a 64 directly but in the binary form of 64. So in total we have 256, sorry, in total we have 256 ASCII values. That means from that means so, that means 256 numbers, 256 characters are stored as ASCII value, and these numbers start from 0 to 255. That means from 0 to 255 the number is allocated to one character. This character can be an alphabet from A to Z in small form, in small, and from A to Z in capital, from 0 to 9, and some special characters are also there in ASCII code. So in this way these characters are stored in our computers. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.